In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a ticket in Jira. Whether you're new to Jira or looking to streamline your workflow, this guide will help you navigate the process with ease. So let's get started. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and go to Jira. Once you're on the platform, look towards the left-hand side of your screen for the Spaces or Project tab. Clicking on this will reveal all of the projects you have access to, which is crucial for finding the specific ticket you want to move. Now, within the projects or spaces, look for the specific project that contains the issue you're intending to move. Click on it, and this will open up a view of all the issues within that project. Once you've located this, scan through and find the particular issue or ticket you wish to move to another project or space. Click on its name to open the issue details. As the issue loads, pay attention to the interface. You'll notice three dots, sometimes referred to as the More Options menu, positioned at the top right corner of the screen. Click on these dots to reveal a drop-down menu, and from here select the Move option. You'll then be presented with a new window where you'll need to decide where exactly you want to move your ticket. This step is essential as it determines the destination for your issue. You might be prompted to select a different project or issue type based on your requirements. After choosing the appropriate options, click on Next. Moving on, Jira will ask you to choose the target status for your issue in the new project. This is where you can decide the stage or status your issue should be in once it's been relocated. Make your selection and hit Next once again. At this stage, Jira may require you to set certain fields depending on how the destination project is configured. You'll want to ensure all necessary fields meet the required guidelines. Once everything looks good, click on Next and then proceed by clicking Confirm to finalize the settings. In the final step, after you've clicked Confirm, you'll see an Acknowledge message indicating that the move process has started. This step is simply a notification part of the Jira process, assuring you that your ticket is indeed being moved. And there you have it. Your ticket has successfully moved from one project to another in Jira. It's a straightforward process once you get the hang of it. Following these steps, you can efficiently manage and relocate your tickets as needed, enhancing your project management productivity. Thanks for tuning in, and happy project managing.